Taking the Nelson Denny? We can help. Complete Nelson Denny Reading Test study guide prepared by a dedicated team of exam experts with everything you need. This comprehensive study guide includes self-assessments, tutorials, plus tips and tricks for practicing and increasing your score. Includes all content areas with hundreds of practice questions, including vocabulary and reading comprehension, plus 2 sets of practice questions, with full answer key giving detailed step-by-step solutions. Easily learn the correct answer, why it is correct, and why the other choices are incorrect. Also included are multiple choice strategies from exam experts. Learn multiple choice tips and strategies to answer questions faster and increase your score. Each content area features an in-depth self-assessment with practice questions, complete answer key, and tutorials with examples to see where your strengths and weaknesses are. Includes powerful techniques for increasing your vocabulary. Get the book and start studying to increase your score today.